we're back in section 5.5 and this is the second video. We're going to use the slope-intercept form to graph this equation, and we have it as y equals 3/5 x minus 2. Now if it tells you to use the slope-intercept form, you need to use the slope-intercept form to graph something, because we've learned other ways to graph so far. We've learned that we can use the intercepts to graph, and we can just graph 3 points to graph, or plot 3 points. So here I'm going to identify, it's already in y equals mx plus b form, so my slope is 3/5 and my y-intercept is 0, -2, because this is my b. Okay, so now I'm always going to start by plotting my y-intercept. Then I'm going to use my slope to graph the rest of the line. So my y-intercept is at 0, -2. Now remember that we start at 0 and we don't go left or right, so then we go down -2. So there is my y-intercept, and it's crossing the y-axis. Now my slope, which is m equals 3/5, means that I'm going to go up 3 and I'm going to run 5. So I'm going to go up 3, so that means I go 1, 2, 3, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 2 points and I can graph it, hopefully. And this is what we call a positive slope, because it's going from the left to the right and it's going up in a positive direction. Okay, let's do another problem. Okay, we're on number 14 here, and it says 3x minus 2y equals 8. And it's still telling us to use the slope-intercept form. We have to put it in slope-intercept form, and that is y equals mx plus b form. So I have to solve this equation for y first. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. -2y equals -3x plus 8. And then I divide by -2. Or y equals 3/2 x minus 4. 8 divided by -2 is -4. Now I like to identify what my slope and intercept is, just so that, you know, we can identify it and know what it is. So m equals 3/2, and my y-intercept is 0, -4. Remember that y-intercepts is an ordered pair. It is not just -4. It is 0, -4. So I come over here and I'm going to graph my y-intercept first, and then I will use my slope to graph the rest. So this is 0, -4. That means 0 is left to right, and then I go down to -4. I graph that. And my slope is m equals 3/2. That's rise over run. So that means I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and I go over to the right 2, 1, 2, and I graph that. And then I do my little line there. Okay? All right.